A massive python was recovered from a tree last night in Assam's Numaligarh. The python was found hanging in a tree at Sumoni village, following which locals tried to bring it down but failed. It was then decided that special help is needed to retrieve the massive python and hand it over to concerned authorities. A JCB machine was roped in to bring the huge snake, and the python was finally brought down safely from a tree. A huge crowd gathered at the spot in the middle of the night to watch the python being rescued.
Pura Bangla, Bokial Bitor, Bizike Tinial Usot, Azupa, Ahon Goso, Edal Ozogo Hap, Ratipapa, Bogai Tiaslerat. এই অজগৰাল পাটটুকা মানুহে আৰু বাতৰুৱা দেখি পেলাই ওচৰৰ মানুহক কলে কোৱাত আমাৰ বকিয়াল বিট অফিচাৰক ফোন কৰিলে। ফোন কৰাত মই আৰু স্থানীয় যুৱকসকলক ফোন কৰাত মই আহি বকিয়াল বিটৰ বিজিকে ওচৰত উপস্থিত হৈ পেলাই অজগৰটো উদ্ধাৰ কৰিলোঁ।